The IMUSA USA 14 inches traditional non-stick coated wok can be a helpful tool in your kitchen. And it offers a good size for cooking meals for small groups. Its 14-inch diameter provides ample space for stir-frying vegetables and even cooking steaks. The non-stick coating aims to make cooking easier, preventing food from sticking and making cleanup a breeze after you're done. However, like any kitchen tool, it might present a problem if not used correctly. So gentle handling is key. The IMUSA USA 14 inches traditional non-stick coated wok also features a triangle helper handle. This extra handle can offer more stability when you are moving the wok, especially when it's full of food. While it's not made of heavy iron, its material is designed to conduct heat well for even cooking. The non-stick surface is a big plus for those watching their diet, as it often requires less oil for cooking. Just remember that non-stick coatings can sometimes be delicate, so using the right utensils is important to avoid damage. In conclusion, the IMUSA USA 14 inches traditional non-stick coated wok could be a valuable addition to your cooking tools, especially if you enjoy stir-fries and other quick meals. It has a decent size and the non-stick feature is convenient for everyday cooking. While it might not solve every cooking disaster, it can certainly make preparing meals simpler for many home cooks in various locations. Just handle it with care, and it should serve its purpose well in your kitchen. Pros: simple to clean, helper handle, good for stir-fry, suitable for gas, suitable for electric. Lightweight design, heats up quickly, affordable price. Cons: can scratch easily, uneven heating, handle can get hot, difficult to clean, maybe too large. Coating may bubble, poor quality, finish rubs off, coating comes off, not truly non-stick. Heavy to handle, thin material, may rust. Features: 14-inch size, non-stick coated, traditional shape, helper handle, triangle handle, easy to clean, durable build, great for stir-fry, heats evenly, affordable price. This IMUSA 14-inch wok has a non-stick coating and a traditional round shape. It comes with a helper handle and a triangle-shaped main handle for easy holding. The wok is easy to clean and is made to last. It's great for making stir-fry dishes because it heats food evenly. Plus, it costs a reasonable amount of money. This IMUSA wok has some good things about it. It has a helper handle, which can make it easier to hold. It's good for cooking stir-fry on both gas and electric stoves. And it heats up fast because it's lightweight. Plus, it doesn't cost a lot. However, it can get scratched easily, and it might not heat evenly. The handle can also get hot. Some people find it hard to clean and too big. The coating might even bubble or come off, and it might not stay non-stick. It can feel heavy, is made of thin stuff, and might even rust. So, while it has some upsides like being cheap and heating quickly, it also has some downsides like possibly scratching, heating unevenly, and maybe not lasting very long.